In 14b, we have to find out if x plus y is one of this expression's factor. So the way to do this is, what about let's just factor this and see if x plus y is a factor or not. So here, as you can see, all four terms, share an x. So let's factor out an x. It's x to the power of 4, x squared, y squared, x squared, then minus y squared. Now we have 4 terms. How do we factor 4 terms? Well, this should be pretty obvious. Here we have an x squared minus y squared. So let's factor a 1. We have this, and what do you notice about here? When we factor out an x squared, we're left with x squared minus y squared. And so what do you notice? We can factor this by groups, right? They're the same. So we can factor out an x squared minus y squared, which leaves an x squared plus 1. Now look at this. This could be further reduced, right? Well, not further reduced, further factored. This is a difference of squares, so we can factor this into x minus y, then x plus y. And then here we have that x squared plus 1. Now what does the question, tell us? It's saying, it wants to know if x plus y is a factor or not. And clearly we have an x plus y, which means that x plus y is a factor. So that means that therefore, yes, it is a factor.